Today we're going to be talking about 5 things not to do to your PC or any of its components. I'm Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and we're going to start off by bending or breaking pins on CPU or CPU socket. It's a terrible idea, it will void a warranty, and even if you're just trying to bend it, you might break it off. And guess what? It's not repairable. Only good to void a warranty, and I don't care if you saw it on YouTube, TikTok, or anywhere else. It's generally a bad idea, and it is an awful prank to do. The next thing, thermal paste. It belongs on top, not on the pins or in the socket. Doing that might actually short your board. You see, while many products are available for thermal paste, and most of them do not conduct electricity, some do. And it might actually short out your board. So still, don't do that. And on the topic of thermal paste, use it properly. It is meant to allow for heat to be transferred from a processor or a graphics processor into a heatsink so that it can be taken out of the system. By allowing your computer or device to run hotter, you are shortening its lifespan. So if you want to be ecological, use that thermal paste. And how about the fourth one? The fourth one is a practical joke for most people, and some people simply don't understand that you're not supposed to do this. Do not delete the System32 folder in Windows. You will destroy your Windows installation. It's not even a joke. And Windows knows this, so for the most part, you can't even do it even if you wanted to. But if you worked your way around the security in Windows and did it, you don't have Windows anymore. And it's not fixable. You would have to reinstall Windows from scratch. And the last thing is all about water cooling. If you are like me and you want to go the route of water cooling, great. But if you're going to buy an all-in-one cooler, keep this in mind. Do not install the CPU block at a higher level than the radiator. You don't want air in the CPU block. You want it to be lower than the exit point on the radiator, which means if you can install your radiator on the top part of your box, that will be great, because that means all of the air will be trapped at the top and not in your CPU block, meaning that your computer will actually be cooler, because air is an absolutely horrible conductor of heat. So you are better off not putting it above the radiator, just so you know. And that will actually help you not destroy your computer entirely with heat, electricity, or of course, broken pins. So like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those who think you benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, for the show notes on this episode, past others, find other ways of subscribing, and of course, use the contact form to email me directly. And if you want to see me play video games, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I play on Twitch at twitch.tv/zaxis1981. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.